Hello friends, this is Disha here and today we are going to make a project in which we are going to control this alien by our commands. Let us see how. Left, right. Okay, so as you saw here that my alien is actually moving left or right positions according to my command. So today let us make this project using machine learning. So let's get started for the same. So for this, open the Scratch platform and click on Try It Now option. Now from here, add a new project named as Alien Game. And since my alien is going to recognize the sound of the commands, I am going to select here as Sounds and let us create our project. So you can see your project is appearing on your screen. Now click on that project and let us go to the train section. Now you can see already a bucket of label is appearing here, that is of background noise. So in this bucket I am going to add the examples of background noises which can be appeared at the time of the commands when I am giving the alien the commands. So let us add the background noises. So you can add any of the noise as you think would be the background noise. So record an example from here. Okay, so I have added some of the examples of background noises. Now let us create another label as left and right, or you can make as many commands as you want your alien to do. At present I am just adding two of the labels, that is left position and right position. Now here I am going to add the examples of left and right positions by adding some recording example. So let us do so. Left, left, left. Similarly, add the right side examples. Right, 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 right. So we are done with the samples of the recording of my noise. Now let us go back to our project and let us make our model learn, and then we will test how my machine learning model is performing. So from here, select Train New Machine Learning Model. Okay, so my machine learning model has been trained. Now let us just test the examples if my model is performing well or not, or should I add more on training examples. So from here, click on Start Listening. Left. So you can see my model has been recognized the label of left with 94% confidence. Let us again see for the right position. Right. So you can see 100% confidence that machine learning model has been recognized as right. So my model is performing well. So let us just make our project using Scratch 3. Open in Scratch 3. From project templates, select the template of alien language. And you can see a basic template appears here of our project, that is alien language. Now what I have to do is, I have to add an extension of speech to text because I am going to recognize the sounds for my alien. Okay, so now you can see one more box is appearing in my toolbox, that is of my machine learning trained model. So I'm going to use that model boxes so that I could modify my script from random to my machine learning model. So let us just modify the script. I'll explain you code. Let me first change the template so that it's visible. Okay, so from my machine learning model, select the train new machine learning model option, select wait until, and again if the model is ready or not, and then start listening. So what I have done is, when my green flag has been clicked, my machine learning model should get trained, and it should wait till the machine learning model has been trained or ready to use. When it is ready to use, just start listening. Then let us continue this code like so. Let us continue after start listening. Suppose my alien had been listened that left side, so it should walk left, and similarly when I hear right, that is when my alien hear right, it should walk to right. Now what is walk left and walk right? So actually these blocks are predefined over here. Let me minimize it. So there are two blocks that has been described over here, that is walk left and walk right. You can modify according to you, like if I want my alien should move 10 steps in the left side and 10 steps when it is being recognized that it should move right side. And you can change the degree, you can change the wait time and etc. according to yourself. Now let us check if my alien is recognizing it well or not. So let us check left, right, right, again right. So you can see my alien is walking on the left and right positions. So let us revise what we have actually done. So you have trained a machine learning model using the technique of speech recognition. So just think, where is there practical examples of such projects? So you might be thinking that Alexa and Amazon Alexa and etc. Yes, that models actually use the speech recognizing techniques that actually being trained by using machine learning. So you understood the practical example of such type of projects as well. So now, based on your creativity, create such type of projects using machine learning.